Tired of others swiping your iPhone or kids overusing apps? So here's how to lock your iPhone 17 Pro Max to one app using guided access, perfect for focus, privacy, and screen time control. So for that, first you have to open up your settings, then go to accessibility, and from here scroll down until you see this guided access option. Just go for it. Now you have to turn this on. Then go to passcode settings, tap set guided access passcode. Try to use one that's different from your iPhone lock screen passcode. Now re-enter the passcode to confirm. You can also enable Face ID here if you want to unlock it easily later. Now the time to test it. Just go back and open the app you want to lock, and now once you are in the app, now you have to triple press the side button quickly. And now you will see the guided access screen appear. Tap this option, session settings, and here you will find several controls. For example, you can choose whether to allow the volume button, motion, or touch to work while guided access is active. You can also disable touch or certain parts of the screen. And now the main part, to set a time limit for how long the app can be used. And when you are okay with settings, just hit start. And when the time limit ends, you see the app locks automatically. And now to exit guide access, just press the side button 3 times again. Now enter the passcode you set for guide access and hit end once more. And that's it. Isn't it really amazing how easily you can control your or your child's screen time? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.